guys, welcome to my eye bags. Woo! Ayan na, tumatanda na tayo. Wrinkles, eye bag, melasma and everything. In one package na. Hi. Kailangan nating kumayod, kailangan nating kumilos. And for today's video is I'm gonna take you with me going to the farm. But first, I'm gonna get some materials for the tangkal or chicken coop. Dahil nga pinabibili ako ng banana ko ng manok na yung nangingitlog lang para sa mga pamangkin ko na iniwan ng mama at papa nila. So they're being abandoned by their parents and there 4 of them, pero dalawa lang yung nasalba ko. I mean, sinagip ko yung mga maliliit lang. So nasa parents ko sila ngayon. So ang ginagawa namin ng banana ko, gumawa kami ng paraan para tulungan sila at hindi hingi ng hingi, kasi hindi kami tumatai ng money, hindi kami tumatai ng padyud mi nakalibang og kwarta mga people, gikapoy na gani kog kumayod, diba? And nakakahiya na rin sa banana ko na every time may problema, ayun, takbo dito, takbo. So yun, wala pang ligo yan kasi night shift tayo at ayan, dinadaan natin sa filter para hindi tayo magmukhang lola. At ito na ngayon, I'm ready na, alis na ako. See you there. Hopefully makakapag video ako sa lahat ng gagawin ko, pero hindi kasi madali, no? Marami tayong bibit-bitin. So see you later, alligator mga peeps. So here I am at the hardware store. Yan. I'm trying to choose which one I'm gonna get. This aluminum or this plastic ones, which is green. So I think we're gonna get both green and the steel. So yun. Kung pili si madam, kunyari maraming bibilhin si madam. And while waiting, tumitingin-tingin din ako sa mga ibang mga paninda nila at the hardware shop. Siyempre, kailangan tumingin na. Malay natin, one day, bibili tayo ng ganito. So, I don't know. And, yes, malaki ang hardware dito. And, they're trying to measure the chicken wire or mesh wire. And, yeah, finish. On my way to my presentation shop because I don't have my own And so, we're here now at the farm. So that's my pamangkin or my nephew. Yeah, he's the one that we rescued from Cebu, sponsored by my banana. And that's their farm dog, Choco. He's really a good guy. And that's Denver. He's trying to finish the tangkal or the chicken coop while waiting for Pudra. He's trying to fix something. And I'm the madam, I'm the boss here, giving them instructions, of course. So, yun, maganda naman ang panahon. And we're gonna go back down to town. And obviously, we're not wearing helmets, hey, banana. You know, I don't have a helmet anymore. I give it away. But, just so you know that we're not gonna have riding a bike going to Sugod. We're just gonna leave the bike there at the barangay hall and then we're gonna catch a trike going to Sugod. So yeah, pangisi-ngisi lang, smile lang before you open. So, Denver is not driving fast. Just right. Yan, parang wakwak lang ako dyan. Yes, I'm looking wakwak. Kasi wala pa akong tulog. Imagine, I was working night shift for 1.5 months. And sino bang hindi magiging hagarda, no? So, ayun. Ano dito? Ayan. Here we are at the chicken farm somewhere in Sogod. Exactly located in, what is it? Magatas. Oh, that's the name of their village or barangay. So, Denver have a look on the chicken. But obviously we don't have a choice. Because that's what they have. I mean, all those female chickens are just the leftover. Yes, leftover na lang, tira-tira na lang sila sa mga nabenta. I mean, they have 400, Bisaya si Oy, 400 chickens were sold last week. So, yun. Nagno-nosebleed na naman si Inday and I'm trying to investigate, charot. I'm trying to, like, ask the lady, what is this chicken? Siyempre, kailangan nating mag-imbestigan kung ano mga klaseng manok dyan. So, ayun. They have different breed of chicken. So, yun. For breeding yan ha, hindi na nila binibenta yan. Kasi, ano, and, marami silang mga nangingitlog. Meron din silang mga roasters for cockfighting, and they have Rhode Island Red, Barred Chicken, or Plymouth Chicken, yung mga ganon. So, mga imported sila. So, they're all expensive. And that one is Heritage Chicken. And those in the other fins or chicken coop are Rhode Island Red Chicken. So, yeah, the lady trying to encourage us. Charot, encourage. She's trying to sell us more. Sana all. Well, I don't have a plan to buy more with this lady. Kasi alam ko talagang binubula-bula lang yata kami. So, yun. Ayun na. Pagod na pagod pa ako. But then, I really have to do this. I really have to finish the business. Well, we're just gonna get 6 female chicken and 1 male chicken, and the lady said that they're gonna give us 1 freebie, which is male chicken. So it's good, eh? That's maybe because that's all reject or leftover. Kaya binibigyan niya kami ng freebie. Ayun. She's explaining something to us. So yun. Yung iba hindi ko na maintindihan. Ayan, those are Rhode Island Red Chicken. So, that's for breeding, not for sale anymore. Because that's what they call layer. So, nangingitlog lang talaga siya. Nangingitlog lang sila. And they're trying to give us some instructions how to feed the chicken, what to give, and how many times in a day they're gonna feed the chickens, yung mga ganon. Just trying to tell us that we're gonna like give some supplements or yung mga organic food for the chickens. And they also have turkey. The turkey is very aggressive. They have a nice place. And it doesn't smell stink here because they're using rice hull. So, hindi maamoy yung lugar nila. And, maingay nga lang kasi, nagpapatugtog sila. Yeah, they're playing music too loud. And here we are finally And we're at the farm now. So we put straight away the chicken inside their coop. Yan na, they're happy. And they have a nice house. They have a nice place to live na. Yes. Ang ganda ng ano nila. Ayan. Binili ko yan. So, for family use lang naman. I mean, this is really intended for my nephews. And they also have piglets. So, wala namang masyadong ganap. I mean, maraming gawa. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.